Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If somebody download this font from DA Fonts and they like it, and I like it too, but they don't want these little circles, and the circles are transparent. They go all the way through. They're little holes. So let's go to Object, Order, back a page, and you can see that they're holes. So let's, there's a couple of ways you could do this. Probably the easiest thing would be to left click, right click, so you can see those holes. Go up to Object and break them apart. Now, when you do that, you're going to have to do the individual letters, because if you group two of them, well, we can group them all and convert them to a curve, but then you have to take each one to go to Object and break the curve apart. That way you still got that circle. Now, the reason I took it out is because if we do it sometimes like this, you could lose the inner part of that circle. It worked this time and without a problem, but go to Object, break curve apart, and then just select them all and left click black, right click. See, there's the problem. That was what I was thinking was going to happen. So unless you've got a lot of fonts, you could just smart fill them. And let's get to black. And it works perfectly. Now, don't forget to select them all and right click no outline so they won't cut ever. That's a pretty cool font. I like it. I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.